What you got? Rice. It's a rice thing.
What is that? Oh my gosh. Cool. Look. Where's Otis?
What is it?
Oh. How cool is this?
Isn't this neat?
Can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa? This is from Grandpa. Can you say thank you? Look.
It's okay.
Thank you.
He did say already.
Thank you to Grandma. Behind you, Grandma Debbie. Can you say thank you? Aiden.
Yes, I'll do.
He said it. Thank you. Look at Madison. You want to look at this?
Madison, you can come play.
Come on.
No?
It's just rice.
Look at your brother. Look at that.
Whoa.
Bigger holes in that.
I missed him.
Oh,
Look,
yeah.
wait, do this. With this one, the holes aren't big enough, sweetie. Take this.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Good job. This, yeah. Oh no, shoot this up. Okay. Come see what Grandma and Grandpa got you.
Look.
What is it? It's a cup. Here, there's lots of cups. Here, more cups.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa, Owen?
You're welcome.
So that's a lot of rice.
Come on, go on that side. Go over there.
That's a 50-pound.
Here, there you
A
go.
lot of rice.
Look, it's your side. Look at what this says. It has your name on it.
Look, Aiden.
No.
Aiden, look. Your name is here.
Nice rice.
That's so much better than sand. Wow.
Which one? The bowl?
I don't do birthday.
Pour it in there. There you go.
Solar. What do you got there, Owen?
Look at all the
Aiden, what is that?
I am going to sit down with you. You don't need all the cups. These are Aiden's. You have plenty. Those are Aiden's cups.
Snyder, come here.
What's she doing? Come here. Come here. Hey, Cider. Hey, Pooch.